Comrade, ngicabanga ukuthi lento le i-very easy. Lento ngiyikhulumile before ukuthi njengoba uComrade Jantshi ezongena nje uzoba i-target. Seyenzekele-ke. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi niyawakhumbula amazwi wami a-2 weeks back mabengiqeda ukuphuma le court. Abanye benu angithi ngezwe kuthiwa babe-celebrate khona la emkhontweni bethi ngiboshiwe. Ngishaye phansi-ke ngaphandle. Ngizosebenzela abantu. I'm outside. Not ngani ngoNkulunkulu. Nangedlozi lami abangifuni lapha bafuna ngizosebenzela abantu. Angifani nani. Nina if bekuyini ebeniboshiwe lapha ngabe nihambile vele nawuhlala ejele. Ngabe nihambile nawuhlala ejele. Now if labantu inationally angazi le province ithatha power yokuthi izotshela inationally, who are they to define the decision that it's been taken by inationally ukuthi umzuki unto uComrade uJantshi is going to be a manager of ama-election. If uComrade uJantshi unayo icapacity yokurun ama-election, why not? Who deserve to be there? Yilo funwa yibo ozocontrolwa yibo bakhona ukudla imali yama-election nabo. Hayi man, yazi man ninenkinga man. Yazi iPTT ake yehle ngespeed. iPTT ake yehla ayikho phela lento. Lena nje ayikho inonsense le. Inonsense ekungamelanga nje siyitolerate as iGauteng. That means la eGauteng kuzomela kukhethwe abantu abazocontrol abazoremothwa ukuthi woza ngoba siyazi wena sokhona ukuyuza ukhona ukudlala imali yama-election nathi ngena ube iphathi ube imanager ama-election. Sikhathele igebengu. Siluza ama-election la saluza ama-by-election ngalabantu. Iple capacity abanayo ukuthi bangarecommenda bona. How can we trust a person that is being recommended by this province? Emaqabane yazi mina angifuni unitshele amangazi la emkhontweni sinenkinga serious la. But kudala ngiyikhuluma lento, that is why senginyanya nokukhuluma njengoba ngathi ukhuluma namatshe. Sinenkinga serious la eGauteng. The serious one. iPTT akisheshele ngoba uma inational izoza nomuntu ole okhethwe ile judgment yala eGauteng, lo muntu akekho kuma members omkhonto wesizwe kuma region ozosebenza naye. I'm saying angithi khona abantu abakhona ukudefy i-decision national. Nathi we are going to define that person abazomkhetho kwesi2. Angeke sisebenze naye kuma election. Thina sisebenzile kuma region wethu. We are proud of that. And angeke size sisebenze naloyo muntu singama members omkhonto kuma region. Lozo khethwa yibo. Asimufuni, sifuna lo abangamfuni. Yabona lo abangamfuni uyeke thina esimfunayo. Ngoba sesiyazi ukuthi why engafunwa. Ubaba Jantshi akekho ngazi ukuthi ugijima kakhulu nama members omkhonto egroundini. Akekho ongazi. And it was a surprise to us ukuthi ubaba Jantshi ukhona ukuba recognized by national. Lento ukuthi umuntu niyahlanya nina, mina ngumuntu kabani? Mangathiwa ke niyangilabela ngomuntu kabani? Angisumuntu omuntu mina. Angizelanga nina la. Ngizela ukuzokhulula isizwe, ngiyazi why ngijoin umkhonto wesizwe party. Angijoinelwa ngizocontrolwa mina. Yini? That is why always my mind the question comes ukuthi benikuphi ubaba uMsholozi nina makakhishwa ngo2016. When he was recalled ama-CR17, where were you nina? Nenzeni? Yini background yenu? Ninenhlanhla yazi. Ninenhlanhla shini. Ngiyazibuza namanje ukuthi le mistake engaka ubaba wayenza. Wasilandela imithwalo ebegqoka izikipa zika CR17 wazoyenza ama leader. Bekangenwe yini? It's a pending question to some of us. Ukuthi kahle what happened? Because you can't call these people ama-revolutionists. Those are cowards. who are against the revolution of liberating our black South Africans. Those are the people who are leading us today, who are accounting on the very same sellout, who are accounting to their masters to destroy umkhonto wesizwe. Kunabantwana babantu la emkhontweni abahleli because bathanda umkhonto, bafuna ukwenza make sure ukuthi ngempela isizwe siyakhululeka. Sinezinto nje ezingenile la emkhontweni zizomosha, sifuna ukudestroya yona lenkululeko yomuntu omnyama. Abadifi labantu nalabathengisa abagcwele lapha eParliament ebe-ANC namalama opposition parties. They are eating on a one plate. I-PTT ake isincede ize eGauteng. Otherwise sizoyiluza yonke iGauteng kuma-region. We are going to lose it, the entire Gauteng. And sisebenze kanzima ukuthi sithene around iGauteng. Singama-members omkhonto on the ground. Beside lama detachment esinawo, we worked hard without bona. Sisebenze without bona. They were not there. But senze make sure ukuthi we bring it out eGauteng. With zero budget. Let them support submit ama-report wabo. Basitshela ukuthi benzeni. And come to us and tell us what did they've done in the past 2 years. We can't run away from the ANC accountability spin the song and emkhontweni that accountability spin singayitholi. Abantu basi-enriche ngemali yomkhonto but ama-members omkhonto ayasogola kuma-region. No t-shirt, no gazebos, nothing. But we are approaching our election. You won't hear them talking about our party agent. I've been talking about this thing since from last year. Let us train our own party agents that will be ready for our local elections.
Masizilungisele liPTTSA, masizilungisele liPTTSA, masizilungisele liyeza izoyichitha iGauteng. Masizilungisele liPTTSA, sizilungisele liPTTSA, sizilungisele liyeza izoyichitha iGauteng. Bathumoni yondolo uPTTSA, iPTTSA. iPTTSA izoyichitha iGauteng. Yes, Maqabane. Yevutha uthuleleni, yevutha uthuleleni. Ngitshelile ngathi mina ngikhulumi nje kuphela ngiyalayelwa. Angikhulumi kuphela mina ngiyalayelwa. Isukile madoda. Hayi isukile. Yona izokwenzeka nganitshela ngathi hayi izokwenzeka. Yezwa nje bazama ukuba active, angazi active lo babo yini, but active wabo ukukhuluma nje, nothing else. Ukukhuluma nje mina nihlonipha ama-leader. Wobani ama-leader? I-leader uyihlonipha ngokuthi i-leader ihlonipha abalandeli bayo. Just nje ukuthi uhlonipha i-leader. Bafethu esisenkingeni. Ha! Angiqala ukuyibona nje lena yona idismal. Yayibona i-ANC uqobo lwayo. Hayi beniyibekile eGauteng shame. Hayi beniyibekile angazi or bekuyi-sub ANC or bekuyini le. Abantu bahluleka nokuzibamba. Uyazi umuntu ahluleka nokuzibamba asabe nokukhuluma noma ethola i-interview asabe nokukhuluma ukuthi kuzothiwa ngakhohlwa. Yabona ukuthanda izinto. Ugcina ungabisazi nokuthi ukhulumeni ngenhlangano yakho. Hayi bafethu, hayi kunzima man, hayi no. Yazi siyakujabulela ukuthi abantu they are being tried and tested. Makalaba hayi. Yabona nje ukuthi uNkulunkulu wenze enye into nje ngempela ukuthi umuntu ungakhona ukumbona. elingaphakathi lakhe nemicabango yakhe. Hayi labantu babengeke babekwe lapho. Hayi laba nje kungasiza abantu bokubekwa lapho. I-mistake enkulu. And yabona nje inkinga ukuthi iGauteng inama Clever Blacks abhaya. Okubuhlungu ukuthi kushayeka nalaba abazitshela ukuthi bona self ama Clever Blacks. Uke wabona ukuthi ulandela izinto ezi-wrong ucabanga ukuthi one of the days isizoba right ngani because ayikho ke into yake yaba wrong yaphinde yaba right. Wrong akuna wrong right. Hayi bafethu hayi Gauteng hayi cha ngigeza izandla ngeGauteng yo manje ngizohlale ngisho ngithi base iGauteng ibase yama sellout. Hayi iGauteng ibase yama sellout. Yabona amakhuluma ngestamach politics hayi usithole eGauteng ba. Stamach politics usithole eGauteng. Umuntu obombona ukuthi lo muntu leader lo he can take us somewhere. Ajike endleleni. Sisu. Angazi ke ngoba ngaze ngalibona ithuna lendlala mina. Bengiyobe ngiqala ukulibona la emkhontweni yosizo. Makuthi likhona ngempela. Yabona nje abantu kumele baqala phansi bathola another 30 years. School of thought. Baqale phansi kuma politics. Yilabantu ekade bebekiwe kuma detachment from province to come downwards. Labantu laba kumele baqala phansi bazifundise ukuthi kahle mabethi suku i-revolution isikuphi. Nale high command leya. Hayi. Abanye siyazi ukuthi bayazenzisa vele bajwayele ukuthengisa from nje igijima egazini ukuthengisa into yabo. Hayi kodwa ke iyezi PTT. They are coming down. Futhi ngathi bazo prioritize thina. Ake nizilungiseleleke niyekele ukuthengisa nokucupha ikhala. Angeke isebenze lento yokucupha ikhala. It won't work. Lento yokuthi uzoba yilona umbaqambili. Angeke kusebenzele le nto leyo. Abathengisi baningi ene mina ngisheshe ngibabona abathengisi into laba bathengisa la. Laba thengisi laba. Hayi no sifuna abantu abafirm kwi-organization. Hayi bafethu siya kuma election yazi nje baba ujantshi uphile lapho. Ngiyezwa seyiqalile lento ebengiyikhuluma nganitshela ngathi mina ngumprofit omkhulu kabi anikho aware. Ngiyezwa kuthiwa sebeqalile sebekuthumela ama letter ukuthi ubani kuthiwa unobhala uthi bona bebe recommend bani akusema kubo la umkhonto akusiwona wabo. Umkhonto nje akusiwona wabo. Balo bathi bebe recommend bani ba recommendani because bona i-nonsense inga recommend enye i-nonsense. You must know ukuthi ma urecommend i-nonsense uzoba i-nonsense. Yiwo lama recommendation abhedisa izinto lawo. Ubani othe abanye abantu akumelanga balide. Makurecommende bona bacabanga ukuthi izinto zizohamba the way bona be recommendile. You are going to champ with that thing. We are going to assist you. We are going to help you left and right to make sure that we are succeed kule nto okhethelwe yona. Awukhethwanga yibo mos. Yazi kunabantu abacabanga ukuthi lana bezela ngathi bazocontrola. Ungathi behluleka ukucontrol imizi yabo bese befuna ukuzocontrola thina. Hayi, yazi makayi nakhona nje ukuzocontrolwa isidumbu sibonayo nje lo muntu lo isidumbu lo. Akusumuntu ongangilida. Iyo nje ukuthi into ebhlungu ukuthi silidwa abantu abangasiwona ama leader. Ongathi mawunelakhi wabekwa waba uchairman waba nelakhi wabekwa waba unobhala or deputy nobhala bese ucabanga ukuthi uyaleader. Hayi. So mnceda nje ucomrade ujudge enze sure ukuthi labantu bahlulwa ama election laba siluzile eGauteng saluza ama elections saluza ama by election left and right ngabo bahamba olala. ayikho nje into esingathi singayikhumbula ngabo or sithi cha basebenzi kumanje babhizi bakhuza abantu ababeka ama-structure makabona babhizi babeka ama-structure ko-Northwest babeka ama-structure kuphi bacanta sazi abanye baprepare abantu ukuthi bazoba ama-MPLs niyajabula bu ngama-recommendation inyana la wena dakiwe hayi futhi wena dalela umlungu mina ngihlanda ikhanda la hayi ya ne hayi kunzima bafethu ababujantshi khululeka sikhona ama-comrade nje kumele enze make sure ukuthi asebenzisana nawe ilento engangisho ngithi ukube kuya ngami ngabe sewuyaqala nje ufaka iproposal lena national ukuthi wena sewufuna ukuqala usebenze uze ngama-proposal abanye abangakaze beze ngawo ababhizi nje bayapepereza umsebenzi wabasubuni thina siyasebenza-ke thina we are national figures siyaziwa lokho futhi angeke uze ukubalekela uyathanda uthandi imisebenzi yethu yithi esibonisakalisa noma singabonwa ngaphansi komkhonto kodwa sine-potential kwabanye abantu sesibonakele asinandaba-ke nawe noma ungakhuluma uthini umuntu ubonakalisa ngemisebenzi yakhe sokusapota Commander Jantshi akufaka ama-application lapha national ubatshele ukuthi wena sofuna ukuqala ngama-party agent ufundise iy'ngane zabantu sifundiseni iy'ngane zabantu si-invite u-IEC abafundise ukuthi how to do things please man.